Skies were a beautiful blue across the valley most of the day today. We've seen some patchy clouds moving across just the last hour or so in the southern part of the valley. You can see them kind of stretching from McAllen eastward to about Harlingen and Brownsville. Anything north of that, though, the sky is about as blue as it can be, and we're going to see a lot of that in the days ahead. Mostly sunny skies during the day. Only issue is with clear skies, temperatures dropping down near the dew point each night. Patchy fog is going to be a possibility each of the next couple of nights. Without much wind, it happens pretty quickly. Here's your overnight forecast. You can notice Future Tractions brings the fog in briefly, and then tomorrow we're back to sunny skies again. And we do that again tomorrow night. I don't see a whole lot of change tomorrow night into early Wednesday. Maybe some patchy fog, but as the day goes on, we're back to sunshine. By later in the week, I think we're probably likely to see a little more wind, and with the wind, it's harder for the fog to form. So I think the biggest part of the fog will be the next couple of nights. After that, there should be less. But we're dry. Rain-wise, we see nothing at all until probably Monday, maybe Sunday night. It's going to be a while. We'll talk more about that long-range forecast in the next half hour. In the meantime, this is where we stand right now. Still 92 in McAllen, 81 Port Isabel and Brownsville, 96 in Rio Grande City. Overnight tonight, readings will fall back into the 60s, but that'll take us down close to the dew point, so fog likely to form. Again, with that lack of wind, I think things will probably happen pretty quickly. And then tomorrow, we start with fog, but then it warms up. Temperatures back to 90 plus across a lot of the valley. Harlingen probably topping out about 89, 87 in Brownsville, and 81 at the island. So the next 3 days, the norm is 88. We're going to go 90, 90, and 91 for Thursday. So just a little bit warmer, but that's an upward trend that's likely to continue, because as we look at the map of Texas, there's a few clouds in the panhandle, those patchy clouds down here, but these fronts just stay away. So high pressure off the east, kind of almost right on top of us now. There's not much wind, but by later in the week, the high will slowly push eastward. As that happens, the wind will pick up out of the south and southeast. Once that happens, that really brings the humidity up. You see the moisture starting to show up across the state of Texas for Thursday into Friday. But notice here we are Thursday, no fronts on the map. There's not a front on the map Friday either, unless you look way up here. There you go. And that's what could get into the neighborhood about Monday of next week, maybe Sunday night, and with that, the chance for a shower, maybe a thunder shower, works its way back into the forecast. If you're headed to the coast, winds there out of the southeast, relatively light, 5 to 10, so just a light chop on the bay. UV is really high. Sunny skies tomorrow with a high of about 83. There are the tides. Surf temperature right now at 77. The bay already up to 80. 65 tonight, then clear skies early. More fog shows up later on. Then tomorrow, southeast winds, south to southeast winds 10 to 20, early fog, but then sunny and warm after that. So the next 7 days, 90, 90, 91. Then we really warm it up. 92, 94, 94, but then Sunday night, Monday, that's our next chance for a shower or thunderstorm. And with that, temperatures go down a little. Highs in the 80s on Monday and lows in the 70s. May cool off just a little more for the middle part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.